So I guess this is just going to be a quick iPhone video. I just installed the apical rear diff bushing, and I want to give you guys a little heads up if you're going to be doing this. So I tried to find on the forums a way to do this, and nobody has any real good pictures or videos. So I might as well show you guys how I did it. First of all, you're going to want to unbolt this bolt right at the bottom of the diff bushing. Then what I proceeded to do was get the top bolt, which is the hardest one, first, then proceed to get the other ones. I used a stubby 8mm 3/8 drive socket, and also I used a 8mm Allen key to get that one bolt out. The other ones are pretty easy to get to. You can just use a swivel socket, a nice short extension with a swivel at the end of it, and you can get the other ones out. But then I realized I couldn't get the whole bushing out because of the thread that goes through the subframe down here. So I had to take those two bolts right there, loosen those up pretty well, and loosen the other two bolts up on the subframe, and kind of pry down on it to get the bushing out. And then it came out pretty easy. But nobody else has anything really on the internet for this, and I hope I can give kind of a clear, resolution to getting this out. People say you can get it out without dropping the subframe at all, but I really don't see how that's possible because I tried for a really long time. But yeah, I just had to lower it a little bit. It's not scary. Just loosen them up. Don't take any bolts out or anything, and you should be fine. Pull the diff bushing out, put the new one in. Make sure you get them all tight, all the bolts tight. It's going to be really hard, but just keep going and you'll figure it out.